What is up, underdogs? It's me, your boy Eric, and welcome back to the channel. We're doing another So for this 2-minute Tuesday, we're going to do an underrated Crosstrek mod. It's a wind/rain guard or deflector, whatever you call it, the one that goes on the side of your cars that makes it look bulky. All right, so why am I doing this? Well, from time to time, it's a little hot. You want to crack a window, but what if there's so many bugs out here, like right now? If you crack up a window, bugs are gonna get in. So what can you do to let some air in without getting wet, without getting bugs inside, you know? Wind, rain deflector, whatever it is called. So these deflectors are actually not just for, deterrent for rain and wind. It can actually make your car look a little rugged. So for example, like these plastic claddings, they go outward a little bit from the car, like wind rain deflectors. That's what it does to the side of the car. So that's what we're going to do. It's easy, 2 minutes. I think we can do it. Let me just unbox this quickly. They're just pieces of plastic with 3M. There's nothing special about these. So when you're buying these wind rain deflectors, you want to make sure when they get to you, you double check if they fit, okay? You got your deflectors right over here that are already lined with the 3M strips. Obviously, you want to try them. You want to fit them first before, laying them in with the 3M tape, just in case that you mess up. This could be a 2-minute project if you don't include the prep time. So pulling out the 3M tape. All right, so timer starts now. It's kind of a pathetic mod, really, but it actually helps. How? I'm gonna give you a use case. For example, somebody here just farted, right? Like me right now, because I can smell it. It's raining outside. You don't want to roll your window down because water is gonna get in. What do? So now a window is cracked open so that your fart can ventilate. Honestly, it's a really, really helpful mod. All right, guys, if you like this 2-minute Tuesday by yours truly, hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, if you want to see more of these Crosstrek or the 370Z content, go ahead and subscribe right now. And I'll see you on the next video. Take it easy, folks.